This is How to 3D Print by A.B. Brooks, Andrew O'Sullivan, Jared Huffman, and Lauren Shin. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use a 3D printer. The basic steps for setting up a 3D printer are the same for all printers, but some steps may vary. In this video, we are using a PrinterBot Simple Metal. In order to get the best results, consult the manufacturer's website for best practices. To 3D print, you first need to acquire a 3D model, which you can either make using a 3D modeling program or download off the internet. You then import the model into a slicing software, which turns it into a file the printer can read. Save the G-code to an SD card, prepare the printer, and you are ready to print. There are many 3D modeling programs available. We recommend using Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks, or Fusion 360. When you are finished modeling, simply export your 3D model as a .stl file, and you are ready to move on to the slicing software step. Warning: we are about to download something off the internet. Only download from trusted sites. For this demonstration, we will be downloading a model from Thingiverse. Go to their website and use the search feature. For this example, we will find a model of a cute cat. Click on the image that looks best. You can view 2D images and a blue 3D rendering of the model before you download. When you are ready, click on the blue download button located near the top right of the screen. From here, you have the option to tip the designer. The file is saved as a zip file, so right-click and extract all of the files onto the desktop. Double-click the file to open the slicing software. There are many different slicing softwares available, and the two most popular are Slicer and Cura. We are using Cura for this video. Once the file is in Cura, you have the option to change the settings. However, for your first print, I recommend using the default settings. Cura cuts the 3D model into layers. These layers are then used to make a G-code file, which is a file format the 3D printer can read. Insert an SD card into your computer. Save the G-code file onto the SD card by clicking the center button near the top left corner of the screen. Safely eject your SD card, and you are ready to print. Warning: the fumes from ABS plastic are carcinogenic. Only use ABS plastic in a well-ventilated environment. We are using PLA plastic, but are cracking a window for good practice. We will now load the plastic into the 3D printer. To do this, simply put the spool of plastic on top of the printer in the spool stand. Take the end of the spool and insert it into the head of the printer. The printer is now set up and ready to go. To start printing, first insert the SD card and then plug in the power cable to turn on the printer. Warning: the nozzle of the printer is extremely hot. It heats up to 210 degrees Celsius, which is over twice the boiling temperature of water. The printer takes 1 minute to heat up and will start automatically. Print times will vary. Our cute cat will take only 38 minutes to print, but larger prints will often take over 5 hours. Once the print finishes, you can remove it from the print bed. You may need to remove some of the support material, but this easily peels off. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your first 3D print.